guys? Thomas back with another Linson's video. Out here in Vegas, another night, another beautiful night. Too bad you guys can't see this view that I'm looking at right now. Such a gorgeous view, the lights and everything. Got the mountains in the back. It's a little too dark to see the mountains right now, but man, during the day it's such a beautiful view. But out here at Burlington's today. Got pretty good deals on 3 fragrances. Their whole fragrance collection was pretty decent today. Much better than Marshall's and Ross. Burlington seems to be the one that's like starting to step their game up a little bit because when the pandemic first hit, while the other stores were like just starting to open back up, Burlington seemed to be hit the hardest. Almost like all the Burlingtons that I went to were like almost completely obliterated or empty, but now they're starting to get back into it. Like the fragrance game at Burlington is definitely starting to come around. And today I got 3 fragrances for you guys. Start off with the smallest one. This one is pretty expensive, especially if you get this at the department stores or like a Sephora. It's from the House of Clean. This is Fresh Laundry. I don't know if you can see that with that little blur. There you go. Fresh Laundry. So I'm hoping this one is just going to be that nice step out of the shower type smell. Maybe just got maybe some nice fabric softener type smell here with this one. But I'm expecting this one to just smell fresh and clean. This is an EDP. Got this one for $14. You can see right there, 14. Usually these are kind of expensive, even for this 1 ounce. But here we go. Opening the box, almost like a box of cards. Go figure. I'm here in Vegas, and this box reminds me of a deck of cards. But here you go. So the nice frosted glass, got clean right there, and then that Fresh Laundry. It's kind of got that same cap as like those alt fragrances, but let's go. Got nothing on this hand, so let's spray away. Let's give you guys one spray. Don't want to go too heavy with this one just because it's a 1 ounce. Don't want to waste like 3 sprays, but I don't know the notes on this one at all yet, but it's definitely floral and crisp. Definitely smell like some fresh laundry though. This is, I'm thinking it's almost smells like the fabric softener with the bear on it. What is that one? Snuggle? Maybe like some Snuggle or something like that. But this is nice. This is definitely gonna give you that fresh, clean, stepped out of the shower, just going about your day. This is definitely very, very nice. People are gonna think you got the most amazing fabric softener when you walk past, like you just did some laundry. This stuff smells great. So if you guys get your chance to get your hands on this, try Burlington first, see if they got it. Check all the other rag stores, but this stuff is nice. Oh man, just fresh fabric softener. This is, you know, people talk about Prada L'Homme as the fabric softener king, the high-end quality fabric softener or whatnot, but this, I like this better than the Prada L'Homme. This is better. If you guys get a chance, grab this if you want to smell fresh and clean, Fresh Laundry. Excellent. Man, I'm gonna wear that one tomorrow, so I can definitely see what it's like, but it's definitely projecting off my hand. As soon as I sprayed it, I had a little whiff in the air, but I like that one. That's definitely a keeper. All right, next up is a fragrance that you can usually spot these at Target. So if you ever go into the fragrance section at Target, they have these weird fragrances. They're just like a regular bottle, kind of just like that last one. But this one is called Mineral Desert. These are usually like 25 bucks at Target. So I was lucky to get this for $8 at Burlington. Doesn't say if it's a EDP, a EDC, or anything like that. It just says cologne on the box. So I'm gonna assume maybe it's an EDC, but it says it's made with some essential oils. Probably is an EDC just because it says cologne on here. So I'm gonna assume this is a EDC. Yeah, doesn't say on the bottle or the box, but there you go, batch code and stuff like that right there. Probably can't see it, but there you go. Nice, beautiful bottle, nice and simple. Kind of reminds me of those Alexandria bottles with that wooden cap. But let's go ahead and waste the spray. Ooh. Citrus at the top, like orange or mandarin. Little sweet, almost like a taffy type sweet. But then you get this little spice in the background. I like that as well. This is very nice. That orange note in here is real nice. It's almost like smelling orange juice. I don't know why this would be called the Mineral Desert, but it's like I'm almost getting like an orange juice vibe with some florals, a little bit of spice. But this one's nice, you guys. This is definitely probably wear this on Thursday out here in the desert. But that stuff is nice. Very, man, that citrus at the top, that orange. Very good stuff right here, you guys. If you guys see that, Burlington, go out there and get it. The Burlington I was at had like 20 of these things. So, man, this stuff is awesome, you guys. Definitely a nice spring, summer fragrance, or maybe even just getting out of the shower and just maybe calling it a night. Just kind of want to relax. Good stuff right here. Mineral Desert. Good stuff. All right. Last but not least was the most expensive purchase today. Was $25. It's a 3.4 ounce bottle, and that is Vince Camuto Virtual. Probably short for Virtuoso or Virtual, but I'm gonna go with Virtuoso because it's probably gonna smell so good that it's a Virtuoso. But let's get into it. Again, Burlington with the triple play today. They had some other ones too that I was interested in too. They had Ed Hardy, Love and Daggers or whatever it's called. They had Sean John I'm King. That one looked pretty good. Nautica Aqua Rush. But there's that nice bottle. Almost kind of reminds me of that Givenchy Gentleman, but the black goes a little bit further down. Nice square, sharp edges. But man, that is nice. That is a nice bottle. Look at that. Nice and shiny. Kind of looks like a leather stitch right here, but again, it's kind of plastic, but nice and shiny. There's your batch code and stuff like that at the bottom. But let's go ahead. Ooh. Smelling a little oud in here. I think there's some oud in here too. Nice atomizer. Gonna have to wait on this one a little bit, guys. It's definitely a nice blast of alcohol right up front, but let's let it dry down a little bit more. Nice, and got like a little piney smell to it. A little bit of booze in here too. Almost like a whiskey. Man, yeah, I think it's like a whiskey note because it's almost smelling like the Manhattan that I had earlier. But like some woods and stuff like that. Oh man, you guys, this one's nice too, you guys. Man, Vince Camuto Virtue. Beautiful bottle, beautiful scent. The alcohol note's starting to die down a little bit more, but it's still got that boozy smell to it. But man, you guys, that one is nice too. If you guys see this one out in the wild, go on and grab that. Vince Camuto Virtue. Stuff is nice. But come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Hope you guys enjoy all the other videos. If you guys do, definitely think about subscribing, like, comment, and I'll check you guys out next time when I get back home. All right, peace out. Yeah.